Welcome to our YouTube channel on dating tips. Today we are going to discuss gaining from giving. Ever wondered how married couples who have so much wealth, status, and physical appeal still divorce, while others still stay together even under adverse conditions? In some cases, it's a lack of personality compatibility, but for others, the reason is deeper. To understand this, look at an orchestra. It is composed of many different instruments, yet they all succeed in producing music together. This degree of harmony is such that even if one instrument is out of key, then the whole performance can be ruined. It is both the difference between instruments and the ability to work together that can produce rich and harmonious sounds that no single instrument can achieve on its own right. So it is with marriage. Each partner to marriage is a universe in their own right. Human beings are not some innate object in a hierarchy dictated by the constrictive methodology of science, which in turn is often ruled by human bias. It is the realization that someone has so much to offer that can create a union which is more than the sum of its parts. However, even with such a realization, marriages fail because people underutilize what they themselves have to offer to their partner. This is because they concentrate on their own immediate needs and how to use someone else to meet them. There is no doubt that popular media, lack of experience, poor guidance, and the absence of role models are to blame for this. However, there's also the innate tendency of human beings to be selfish. This extends from satiating one's immediate needs to creating an endless stream of wants. It is therefore not surprising that wealth, status, and physical appearances, instead of fostering marriages, are the very same things that contribute to divorces. So how can couples bond in a marriage? The answer, ironically, is not to satiate one's wants, but instead to starve them. The less one has, the less one potentially desires. This in turn sensitizes one to the needs of their partner. It also enables them to meet those needs because they can develop their personality traits instead of being subject to self-centered desires and the avarice generated by popular culture. Ironically, one gets more and not less because this potentially encourages one's partner to reciprocate. So not only is one's needs likely to be met, but one sees himself more in his partner. In other words, the partners make up the greater whole without sacrificing their individuality, and in fact reinforce it by bringing out their strengths, which they didn't know even existed. I trust that you enjoyed this video. For more videos in this series, don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel, and thanks for watching.